Cessation of capitalization. So capitalization of borrowing cost should be ceased when either substantially all the activity necessary to prepare the qualifying asset for its intended use or sale are completed. Once the construction complete, the interest will not be capitalized. Construction is suspended, for example, due to industrial dispute. So suppose in the last example, construction required 6 months. Suppose after 3 months, due to some reason, you have stopped the construction. But but your interest on loan will continue. You have stopped the construction, interest will continue. In that case, what will happen? You can capitalize up to 3 months only. You cannot capitalize the interest for 6 months. So it will be 6. Test your understanding. On 1st January, Sensco began to construct a supermarket which had an estimated useful life of 40 years. They started constructing supermarket. The purchase of the site for 25 million. What is the purchase? 25 million dollar. 25, let's write here. The construction of the building cost is 9 million. So let's write construction. This is for construction. And the fixture and furniture is 6. So total is 40. The construction of the supermarket was completed on 30th September 2005, and 1st January they started the project on 1st January. Construction is completed on 30th September, and it was brought into use from 1st January. However, it brought into use in 1st January. Sensco borrowed $40 million for all the amount he borrowed the loan on 1st January 2005 in order to finance the project. Loan carried interest 10%, interest is 10%. It was repaid on 30th June. In June 30th itself it is repaid. So calculate the total amount to be included at cost in property, plant and equipment in respect to the development at 31st December 2005. Now we have to calculate. First thing you have to understand that cost of this 25 million you cannot capitalize, because this is for the 25 million is for the purchase of site. The cost of this $6 million you cannot capitalize, because this is the cost of purchase of furniture and fittings. You can capitalize the cost of this interest of this 9 million. Why? Because this is the asset that is taking time to complete, that is taking time for construction. So this amount you can capitalize during its construction period, during the construction period time only. So what is the construction period time? The construction of building cost 9 and the fixture as fittings. The construction completed on 30th September. So January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. So total 9 months. We are assuming that we started construction from 1st January. So total 9 months. So 9 month of interest you can capitalize, but fortunately the payment of loan is only 30th June. So 30th June he paid the loan. So once the loan is paid, you cannot capitalize, or you cannot capitalize after the construction also. So 30th June is January, February, March, April, May, June, 6 months. So 6 month interest only you can capitalize. What is the 6 month interest? 6 month interest on 9 million at the rate of, what is the rate of interest? 10%. So 10 by 100 for 6 months, 6 by 12. So this amount only you can capitalize. This is so the amount will be 9 by 20. This is the amount of interest you can capitalize. You can calculate in decimal.